Did you ever think when a hearse goes by, that you may be the next to die? They wrap you up in an all-white sheet from the top of your head down to your feet. They put you in a big black box, and cover you up with dirt and rocks. It goes all right for about a week, and then your coffin springs a leak. The worms crawl in, the worms crawl out. The worms play pinochle on your snout. They eat your eyes, they eat your nose. They eat the jelly between your toes. Then one little worm who is not so shy, crawls in your ear and out your eye. Your stomach turns a slimy green, and pus powders out like whipping cream. You spread it on a piece of bread, and that is what you eat when you are dead. And me without a spoon, pass the gravy please.